Ahoy, welcome to Pabloo. Make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button.
Произошла авария с его. You've got to be kidding me. Are you kidding me?
Flight to Salt Lake City from Gate 5. Will the only passenger on this flight kindly board at this time?
That's me.
Good evening, Vincent, and welcome aboard.
Thank
We
you.
look forward to taking care of you today. If you need any assistance getting settled, we're delighted to serve you. To ensure an on-time departure, please remain in your assigned seat.
Yep.
Please place larger items in the overhead bin.
When you need a...
Oh, thank you so much for flying me.
No problem.
Thank you so much. Pleasure. Can't wait.
Your private jet.
Yes.
The instructions on how to connect to the card located in your seat pocket. The use of Wi-Fi to make phone calls.